I've had a lot of on and off rain for the past couple weeks, and the main issue I'm dealing with is bugs, especially flies, lots of flies. So in this video, I'm going to show you quick steps that I do in order to minimize the fly and bug population.
Keep it simple and just mow.
So these first 3 steps, everyone should be doing this. Number 1, every garbage day, after your garbage is taken away, you want to go ahead and try to rinse out your bin. I do it on a weekly basis, but you can do it bi-weekly or even monthly. When you clean out your garbage, you're going to reduce the smell emitting from those cans, and that's the main culprit of attracting flies. What I do is add a little bit of water and then a cap full of bleach. Let it sit there for a little bit and just shake it so that it can get all around and all in the corners of the garbage can. After that, there's no need to dry it. Just set it aside or wherever you store your cans and you're done. So again, try to do this as often as you can. The best time is after the garbage is picked up. Number 2 on the list is walk in my property and get rid of any standing water. Standing water is one of the main things that you need to get rid of in order to reduce the bug population. Every single bug you can think of, mosquitoes to flies, need water to reproduce. So if you reduce the amount of standing water on your property, you're going to have diminished amount of bugs that you're dealing with. Look for standing water everywhere. I'm not talking about just your gutter downspouts. You want to look around your furniture and any furniture cover you may have. You'll be surprised. You just need a little bit of water in order for mosquitoes and flies to reproduce. Number 3 on the list is to get rid of any waste you may have on the property. I'm not talking about just food waste. I'm talking about dog waste. So whenever your dog goes, you want to pick up after him or her right away. That's going to dramatically reduce the amount of flies. The next thing I do, roughly about every 3 months, I apply a granular insecticide on the lawn. That's going to reduce the amount of crawling insects you're going to have to deal with. The type of insecticide you're going to use is really dependent on you. I'm not really partial to any brand, but the main thing is to water it in and keep all pets and humans away until the product has had time to dry. Next step in my process is I take a Hosan, or you can just take a concentrate and mix it in a sprayer, and you want to spray your foundation. You want to spray roughly about 2 to 3 feet up and 2 to 3 feet out. That's going to prevent any bugs from getting inside your home. You also want to consider spraying your fence, and if you're against a wood-lined area, you want to spray that also. And just make sure you get any low-lying bushes. This is where bugs and other flying insects like to hide. Just a key note, whenever you're spraying, the best time to spray is either early morning or late evening. The last thing I do, and this is my favorite, is put out a fly trap. I've used these fly traps in the past and they're awesome. They will catch dozens, maybe even hundreds amount of flies. You just make sure you want to put it far away from your property. I will typically put them out and change them weekly because they get so much flies in a short amount of time. You can see in this video, day 1, I put this fly trap out. Come back 3 days later, you can see the amount of flies that's here. Putting out fly traps is definitely effective. I highly recommend you go with the disposable version. I really don't want to deal with the one that you reuse where you have to clean it out. That's just really gross. So go with the disposable ones. You can get those at any big box stores. They're very, very effective. The insecticides I just mentioned are homeowner grade, meaning anybody can get them at any store near you. Don't discount them. They're very effective. Treating your lawn and treating your property is better than not treating at all.